Hi, my name is Dennis Beidner with CFO on the Go, Sage Partner. A real quick look this morning at ways that you can bill within Sage 100 Contractor. We have what I call our regular receivables, which would be something like this, where it's just a line item says initial payment, or find something real quick here, another deposit, additional wiring. So just very simple, one line item type things. Could have multiple if you wanted to, just where you have a price negotiated already. So that's just what we call our normal invoice. In addition, we have progress billings, which is a lot of our customers use this. And I'll just bring one up here real quick. So very quickly, and the reason our clients really like this is a progress bill for one job, and this happens to have multiple phases on it, so we're billing by phase. If we wanted to, we can check this box here and combine multiple phases in this one single application rather than billing those separately. Description, this is application number 1, the date, the billing cycle, the date we submitted it, what have you. These are our schedule of values, line items, and these are typed in as descriptions, but we could also pull these in as cost codes. This is the value that we negotiated with the owner. I have change orders, and I can either add change orders as a separate line item down here, or I can add them to the respective line up here. It's up to you. At this point, since this is application number 1, we can either enter in this column what we want to bill, or we could enter over here what percent we want to bill. So some clients like round percentages, some clients like round numbers. It's up to you. Either way, it works. Once this is done, we can then produce the billing. The nice part about this is once I'm done with this billing, this is kind of the cycle that you would run through. You would click this button to submit that application so we know we've done it. We send it to the owner. We're waiting for his approval. Once he approves it, or she approves it, I can post that application to my general ledger and accounts receivable. And then once this is posted, this will turn black and it says create next application. I'm sure you can figure this out. But what it's going to do is it's going to create another one just like this, except it's application number 2 with new dates. It's going to take what's in this column and add it to whatever's in the previous column, leaving this column blank, so now I can enter in what I want to bill for this month. I have about, I don't know exactly how many I have, but hang on a second. There is a whole lot of different ways to bill this, so I can bill by cost code rounded up, and I can decide how far I want to round up. I can bill it by cost code with a description, etc. Some companies still require you to fill out the actual AIA form. That's what these 4 are right here. You actually take that form, pre-printed form from the AIA, stick it in your printer, print it, and we just basically print the numbers on there and not the headings and the column headings. And so we can actually do that as well. Not very many people use that anymore, but we absolutely can do that if it's required. I'm going to come back here. There's an attachment field here. I can actually attach a signed copy here, or I can, whatever I want, any attachment that's appropriate for this progress billing. I'm just going to pull this as a sample of something. There's the progress bill. There's the detail that goes behind it. This is a custom one, but one of our customers said, hey, look, at the same time, can you go ahead and produce the waiver and release on the progress billing? So it fills all this out for you. So this was additional. It wasn't very expensive, but if you wanted to add that, it can be added. You could actually, with a little training, add that yourself. Last one, or actually 2 more. Actually 3 more. I apologize. 3. So loan draws. Home builders that are dealing with banks that needs to do a loan draw, we can actually do the loan draw. Very similar to the progress billing, but it's a loan draw. Unitized billings are more specific to the highway industry, where you're billing for the ton of asphalt or the cubic yard of concrete or the square foot of concrete curb or sidewalk or linear foot of curb, number of parking spaces lined, whatever. It's a unit price bill, and you basically just have units on there with a unit price. And then a full-blown time and material billings with multiple markups, different wage tables and rate tables for each project, and it produces all of the billings that you need with the markups that are appropriate for that project. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different ways, and I'm not counting our service receivables module. So Sage 100 gives you lots of flexibility on the AR side with 6 ways to bill. And the last look I want to give you is one of my favorite reports. We don't have, I said we do have agings, but nobody really uses agings in ours. They usually use this here. It's our call sheet, and I'll show you why our clients like it. It summarizes by customer. So here's Bill. That's one of my clients. That's his phone number, extension, his cell phone number, fax number, notes that I've recorded in the system that will stay here as long as I select this format. These are 3 invoices that are open on job 27. This invoice here is open on job number 13. And then I have the balance and what's past due. And you can tell this is demo data because this guy has owed me money for 4,118 days. So it's nice. It's sorted by customer and then sorted by job underneath that. And to me, that makes it a lot easier while I'm on the phone with a client. I have everything respective to that client in one place. Anyway, lots of ways to use our AR. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-659-5851. So 800-659-5851. Or visit our website. There is a link on our website, obviously, to the YouTube channel. And we're probably approaching 150 videos at this point in time. I've kind of lost track. I just do these on a whim when I have some time. And so I just throw them out there, show you what this is capable of. Or if you're not sure what's in it, now you know. Anyway, have a great day. Thank you.